features and functionality here. So what we're looking at here is ACT version 17. I'm actually going to start with the new ACT eMarketing platform. Okay? You see there's an eMarketing view inside of version 17. And this is sort of your central hub or control panel for your eMarketing account. You can see an account overview here, different actions you can take related to ACT eMarketing, from building your groups to capturing leads from a web form to creating templates, sending the campaign, and then tracking the results of that and analyzing that. The editor itself is actually an online editor, very easy to use here. Let me pull that up, bring that over here. So if we take a look at a particular template here, this is one that I just sent out recently. You can actually look and see what this template looks like. This is built directly in ACT eMarketing. ACT eMarketing gives you the ability to preview these templates, preview them on different devices to see what they might look like from different types of devices that you would send to, send a test email to yourself, see what it would look like with images on or off. You can then go in and edit that template as well. You'll see this is a very easy to use. Oops, looks like my session timed out. When I get into the editor here, you'll see this is a very easy to use visual graphics editor for HTML email templates. Let me get back over to templates here. I'm going to edit this particular one. So here's my template itself. It's very easy to go in and modify text within here. Just click the text editor, go in there, type some new text in that you want to see there. There's also formatting options for that text, like bold, italics, underline, different things like bulleted and numbered lists, inserting hyperlinks. You can insert document links. You can adjust colors and fonts and all those different sorts of things you'd expect to be able to do there. And it's all very easy to do within the text editor here. From the layout mode itself, I can very easily duplicate objects that are in here, like add another object, and then maybe say I want to put a different image in there. So I can go over to my image library, maybe grab something else from the travel section of my images, and drop that into a section within the template here. So, not sure why that one's not going in there. Let me pull this down here. There we go. So let me drop it in there. So then maybe up with the duplicate section here that I created. But you can drag and drop images directly into the template from your image library here. You can link to URLs, other documents, do a mail to type of hyperlink, things like that within here. It's very easy to use in this sort of what we call WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editor here. Okay. We're going to save our changes to that, and we'll close out of our template. I actually sent that template to a few people yesterday. And if I go back to the ACT product itself, I've got what they call a call list here. And this is the call list for this particular email that I sent yesterday. And there's 4 contacts in this call list. These are the people that actually opened the email itself. So I can actually go in after sending an email blast through ACT, pull up the call list for that particular email, and I can see a list of all the people who opened that. This list is going to show me how many times they opened it, if they forwarded it on to somebody else, any clicks on particular links within the email, and all of that's going to tie into an overall score for the call list. People who open it more, click on more links, things like that are going to have a higher score. Those people it would be safe to assume probably that those are people who are more interested in the content of the email that we sent out. And then we could follow up with a subsequent email to them, maybe a timely phone call, things like that. So I can actually take this call list. I can check off all these people individually if I just want to select some of them, or I can select all. I can record a history directly to them. I can schedule a follow-up activity, maybe for a salesperson to reach out to them and contact them about their interest in this promotion or whatever it was that we emailed about. Or I can create a lookup of them and just start taking that action myself. Just go right in and start contacting these individuals. So here's some really powerful features within that eMarketing view in the system here. In addition, you also have eMarketing reports. And so the reporting that's available in the portal here as well We'll tell you how many people opened it. You'll be able to see bounces, unsubscribes, clicks on particular links, different things like that, and be able to utilize that information to help you for future campaigns or understand, why a particular campaign went really well or maybe why it didn't.